Hello, MacGyver Sharon here. As long as I'm redoing my Holy Grail solar rail, I thought I would show you how to change the MC connector. First, you take off the old one, which is what I'm doing now. It's kind of stuck. I'm just going to cut that sucker off. So now I'm going to strip the insulation to length to fit into the connector that I have to crimp on there. I always twist the wires up a little bit so that the strands all stay together. And as you can see, the positive red tape that I put on there is going to get in the way, so I'm taking it off. Please note, whether you're doing the male or the female connectors, don't put them on the wrong ones. And do not forget to put your ends on there before you crimp it. Oh, that's the old one. Tossing it. There's the new one. That's the weather sealer. And that's to screw the weather sealer on and keep your connector all in place. That is the pin. That goes into a male connector. I don't know why a female connector goes into a male connector. Right now I am checking the length of my strip. You don't want it too long, you don't want it too short. And do not forget to put those ends on, because then you'll have to start all over again. That is a crimper that I got off of Amazon for like $12. Yes, it's mine, see? This way, it fits, you're gonna get the right crimp. I know I did some by hand before, and this is just perfect. Now when you're putting the wire in, you've twisted it. Make sure no strands go on the outside anywhere and it's the right length. And then crimp. I'm making sure that it's tightly crimped on there. I'm doing a visual inspection. I'm doing a physical inspection. And now I'm sliding up the insulation. I'm going to put it into the connector. You see the connector has an insert for it. I'm going to slide it in there, it's going to click in. I'm going to make sure that it clicks into place, and then I'm going to bring up the insulation thingy and put it all together and make sure it's a tight fit. Now I'm going to tighten those two pieces together. I'm using pliers, you don't have to. I have a bit of arthritis in my hands, so I can't get it tight enough. Now when you're tightening it though, make sure that everything is turning and that you are not twisting the center conductor inside of there, the part that you crimped on, because it can twist the wires and break it off. So just feel for it. Make sure nothing clicks or snaps. And there you have it. Now we're going to check it. We're going to put the solar panel on the ground. We're going to turn on the digital voltmeter, the DVM, onto volts DC. We're going to stick the red wire into the positive that you just changed. And we're going to stick the black into the negative. And we will read the voltage on the DVM, or digital voltmeter. And we will make sure of the polarity sign on there. You see, if there is no negative on there, you have positive 19.9 volts DC coming out of your solar panel. Not bad for a rainy day.